Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some interesting news that you absolutely don't want to miss. Florida-based Freedom Mortgage offers FHA, VA, and USDA loans as well as conventional mortgages and refinancing. You'll need to speak with a representative to apply or see rates. Company overview. Freedom Mortgage is licensed to operate in all 50 states and Washington, D.C. Based in Boca Raton, Florida, the lender offers a variety of mortgage options including conventional loans, USDA, VA, and FHA loans. Refinancing options are also available. Freedom Mortgage home loans are best for people who are interested in a government-backed mortgage loan including FHA, VA, or USDA. People who want to get quickly pre-qualified for a mortgage online. People in Puerto Rico or the U.S. Virgin Islands. How to qualify. If you have fair credit, you may qualify for a Freedom Mortgage loan. The lender offers FHA, VA, and USDA loans with lower minimum credit requirements than conventional mortgages. Freedom Mortgage does not disclose a minimum credit score for all of its loans, but its programs generally require a minimum 620 credit score for conventional and USDA loans and a 550 or higher credit score for VA or FHA loans. Your income must be stable and sufficient to repay a mortgage. In general, that means a debt-to-income ratio of 43% or lower. Some programs allow higher DTIs up to 50%. You can pre-qualify with Freedom Mortgage by answering a few questions and authorizing a credit report. This will result in a hard pull that generates an inquiry on your credit report. What credit score do you need? Freedom Mortgage does not disclose one minimum credit score for all of its loans, but says it often requires a minimum credit score of 620 to buy a house with a conventional loan, a minimum credit score of 550 to buy a house with a VA loan or an FHA loan, a minimum credit score of 640 to buy a house with a USDA loan. How to apply? Once you've pre-qualified for a home loan, you can choose to move forward in the application process. A loan advisor can help you complete the mortgage application over the phone. There is no online option for the application. After you submit your application, Freedom Mortgage will email you a login link to review and sign all the necessary documents. You'll submit any documents needed to verify your income, the source of your down payment, and your assets. The lender will review them and may ask for additional paperwork or information. You can securely upload your records using the electronic platform. The lender will order an appraisal and an underwriter will review it. Once you've been approved and all conditions have been met, you'll be cleared to close. Closing must be done in person, but Freedom Mortgage may be able to come to you. What bonuses and discounts does Freedom Mortgage offer? For more update, please like and subscribe this channel.